back to my channel. So today in this video I will show you that how you can create wonderful thumbnails by using InShot app. Okay, so let's open my channel. Okay, so this is my channel and you can see some thumbnails, and those thumbnails are not that much unique also. So today I learned that how we can create wonderful and thumbnails by using InShot. So that only I will share with you all. And as you can see that how to edit a video by using InShot, title also is the same and the thumbnail is also the same. So will you click on this video? If so many videos will come and the other thumbnails will be beautiful and gorgeous and this some fake thumbnail, will you click on this? I guess your answer is no, because it don't has the right thing. So today in this video I will tell you that how you can do this, how you can create, and how you can create a thumbnail. So let's get this video started. So this thumbnail, okay, so this thumbnail I will show you how you will create this thumbnail. Okay, here you can see all the writings are in bold and some creative things I've used, and this InShot logo also I've used. So if you see this type of thumbnail, then you will click on my video. Your answer will be yes. So how you can create this thumbnail, I will show you in this video. So let's get this video started. First you will click on InShot app, your InShot app, then you will click on photo, then new. Okay, so then you will click on the photo. Okay, so you can open Google and you can take a screenshot of the InShot app. Okay, so then you need to crop it. I will crop it according to your shape, size and thing. You can crop it. Okay, so after first you have to select the canvas. Okay, the canvas 16:9, you will select the canvas, and this image, this InShot image, you have to set according to the size of your canvas. Okay, so I'm placing it down there bottom. Then background I will set, and the background I will set this type, because this type is, you can see that the InShot app and the background is mixing well, because this and that color is very similar. So I'm using this color. You can do it according to your choice, but make it better, as it looks prettier good. Like that only you will make, not that rubbish what I made before. So after adding the background, the logo, the next option comes text. So click on text and add whatever text you want to add. Then tick. You will choose the color accordingly, according to your choice. Don't skip this video, watch the full video. If you skip a bit part of the video, then you can't learn editing. Okay, watch the full video. Follow each and every process of mine. Okay, follow the process as I'm doing. I hope I'm clear to you all. You all can understand, I think so. If you can't understand anything in these videos, then do comment below. And if you like this video, then also do comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so then till this much I think is clear to you all. Learn a bit here and easiest, then you just have to adjust them. Learn the easiest way to create thumbnails by using InShot. Boundary, labels, just adjust it. Here I will just add a bit of border. Yes, here also not there, here a bit of border. And if you have any problem, if you can't hear my voice or something, okay, then just follow the process. You don't need to hear my voice or something like that. I'm just showing you, you all can see and you can do. So then the next in shot. So here white color and the label will be bit of black like this tick. So I will just arrange these first, just here. So this I just need, wait, learn the easiest thumbnails by using InShot. So I hope you all are understanding, because I'm showing all the processes step by step, so I hope you are understanding. Okay, so next filter. So here you can adjust your filter according to you. Then some effects are here. Okay, some effects you can see, glitch, say glitch. If you want glitch you can add, I will not add glitch. Noisy, you can see TV, RGB, many more are there. I'm showing it to you all. 2, 4, 9, multi, so many, bapre. Many more are there, lots of are there. Which one you can add, you want to add, you can add. So I will just use RGB. If you know the full form of RGB, then do comment below, then I will take it. So you can see, so my thumbnail is fully done. Okay, so then I will click on save. Then you will open your gallery, then you can see. So how was today's video? So I hope you all learned that how you can create thumbnails by using your phone, by using InShot app. Okay, so guys, a bit mistake I've done. Here you can see, no, so here you can see that shadow is there. Okay, shadow you can see, but here you can see shadow is missing. Okay, so it's my mistake, don't mind it, never mind it. Okay, so like this you can create thumbnail for your video. So I hope you all guys enjoyed today's video. Bye bye guys, and take care. Subscribe my channel for more interesting helpful videos, and do like this video. Bye. Thanks a lot for 900 subscribers. 1k, my dream is 1k, so please subscribe fast so that we can reach to 1k, and then 1000, 100 lakh, million. Okay, so bye bye guys.